Hello, welcome to my channel Slay Mindz. Today we'll play Sudoku together. Now let's play. Today we will learn and play Sudoku of 6x6 for kids and elderlies. Our goal is to fill in the entire grid with numbers from 1 to 6. Each row, column and box must have all the numbers from 1 to 6 without any repetition. Sudoku exercises your brain. So let's start Sudoku. You may pause the video and draw a grid for 6x6 Sudoku as shown on the screen on a piece of paper. You can note down the given numbers and start playing with me. Thank you. Now, in the first column, numbers are 3 and 2. In the second column, numbers are 4, 6, 5. In the third column, numbers are 6 only. In the fourth column, numbers are 6, 5, 3. In the fifth column, numbers are 2, 5, 4. And in the sixth column, numbers are 1 and 6. Let us go for this last box, corner box. So in this, the numbers are 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 6, 4. Only 1 and 2 are missing. So in this box, 1 cannot come as 1 is in the top column, at the top of the column. So here number 2 will come. And in this box, number 1 will come. Let us complete this fourth column. Let us complete this second column. In this column, 4, 6, 5 numbers are given. 1, 2, 3 are missing. In these two cells, 2 will not come because in the same box 2 is there. So 2 will come in this cell. 1 cannot come in this cell because 1 is in the right side of this row. So 1 will come here and 3 will come in this cell. Okay. Now let us complete this box. So in this box 1, 2, 3 are given. 4, 5, 6 are missing. So in this box 5 and 6 cannot come because you can see 5 and 6 are there in the right corner of this row. So 4 will come in this row and 6 cannot come in this cell. So 5 will come in this cell and 6 will come at this place. Okay. Now let us complete the first column. In the first column 3 to 6 are given. 1, 4, 5 are missing. So in this cell 1 and 4 cannot come because 1 and 4 you can see at the right of this cell. So 5 will come here. So here in this cell 4 cannot come because 4 is there in the same box. So 1 will come here and 4 will come in this box. Let us complete this box. 4, 5, 3 to 6, only one number is missing. So we'll write 1. Let us complete this column. In this column 1, 6, 4, 5 are given. So 2 and 3 are missing. So 2 cannot come in this cell as on the right side 2 is given. So 3 will come here and 2 will come this place. So let us complete fourth column. In the fourth column 6, 5, 3, 1 are given. 2 and 4 are missing. So we cannot write 2 here because 2 is at the left of this cell. So 4 will come this place and 2 will come at this place. Okay. So let us complete this box. 6, 2, 1, 4 are given. 3 and 5 are missing. So 5 is, we cannot write 5 here because 5 is in the same column. So 3 will come here and 5 will come here. Okay. So let us complete this column. 1, 5, 6, 2. 3 and 4 are missing. So 4 cannot come in this cell as 4 is in the same row. So 3 will come here and 4 will come here. Okay. Now let us complete this cell. So in this cell 2, 3, 5, 4 are given. 1 and 6 are missing. So we cannot write 6 in this cell because 6 is in the same row. So 1 will come here and 6 will come here. This Sudoku is done. I hope you liked and enjoyed this Sudoku solving with me. Tomorrow again we'll come up with the new video and with the new Sudoku and we'll play together. Please do not forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.